What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Some of you have been asking me to make a video where I talk about what kind of light output I get out of these headlights that I built. So I decided to take a little video of me cruising the car at night to kind of give you my point of view of what I'm seeing as I'm driving. In my opinion, these headlights are very good. I did use some LED bulbs in these, which I did get off Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description to the exact ones I bought. So now you've seen the clip, you be the judge. If you want to build them, go right ahead. I think the tutorial I put out is pretty good. You should be able to follow along. It'd be pretty easy to build them. I'll link it in the description. And if you think that the light output's crap, then you're welcome to do whatever you want to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more DSM content as well as some Volkswagen content. Thank you guys again. See you in the next video.